Welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the people from, what is it called? Retire on Dividends. I want to welcome all of you as new subscribers. Today, I have an exciting show for you. First, we're going to go over all of the Yield Max funds, all of them, and what they paid out. Then we're going to go into my controversial $300,000 free money plan, and I will share with you my biggest dividend ever. Imagine, you'll see. Anyway, we're going to get to everything, and at the end, I'm going to take you into Retire on Dividends Discord, where all they do is infatuate themselves with me. Let's get to the money. Okay, so we had some hitters here. Even Crash. Look down here at the bottom. If you remember Crash, this is the anti-Tesla. Okay, I told you I think that people stuck in Tesla should create a Tesla sandwich, which would be Crash and Tesla together in equal amounts. It's not just like longing and shorting a stock at the same time. No, it's not. They're actually both going to be winners, but one will win more than the other. So it's a great strategy. So 95 cents for Crash. I'm actually sorry I sold my 1,000 shares, but it was at like $20. So I would have, big deal. Who cares? I would have been made that $950 extra. Pennies. Misty, an unbelievable $3. Congratulations. Imagine if you had one share of Misty stock, okay, or even 1,000. It's not that expensive compared to the real stock. We're talking about the Yield Max funds. Well, you would have got $3 per share. Wow. Imagine someone like me. I have 24,000 shares of AMZY, okay, but I'm not that daring. They say I'm risky. They say I'm careless. They have no idea. The way you're going to be the first to know about what your fund is going to pay, go to the Yield Max site and go to the support section and send them a stupid question. They scrape your email, okay, and then they send you this as soon as it comes out. Murney, 84 cents. AIYY has done nothing but go down, and you might think you could catch up with the dividends. Good luck with that. So let's scroll up here. I don't do PP because I would not invest in PayPal anyway. AMDY, 90 cents, not bad. You also look, I know you're all yield whores out there, and yes, I'm a gold digger myself, but I have to tell you, it's not only yield. If the fund is losing money, we learned this from back in the days of smart contracts, okay? And you'd get dividends. This was outside of your world of stocks or ETFs. And no matter how much the dividends were, if the price kept going down and down and down, we never caught up. Anyway, so I learned from that. So let's take a look. So we look here, okay, JPMO, a favorite of many people, 34 cents. For me, these all cost about $1 a share, right? So $1, oh, you wish, about $20 a share. Now, roundly, okay, so you got to figure out how much you're getting per share and does it make sense? And is the price per share over the last 6 months or year to date going up, going down? And don't be fooled. Well, let me just keep going. So anything around 30 cents, I'm not interested in. That's not a good value for my money. Like even Disney, DSO, I'm not down with that. Mofo, okay, 47 cents. Now you're getting in the area. When I started with AMZY, it was 69 cents. Get off my face, Stacy, you stink. So let's take a quick look. What else? Now, Google is pretty good. 68 cents, that's in the range where I like to be. Okay, Meta, 69 cents. That's where the range I like to be. Okay, let's see what else there is. Let's zoom in a little bit. All right, so look at NVIDIA, $2.56. Now, here's the thing. Here's where you can see NAV erosion. Let's take a big dividend. Let's take this $3 from Misty, okay, down here. What happens is after the dividend is paid, it goes ex-dividend. The stock goes down by $3,000. $3 per share, the amount of the dividend. Now, there's a lot of people out there that think that are new to this and think they figured it out, and they're like, "Well, I'm going to get the dividend and sell." Well, this prevents you from being that idiot. Okay, I see people with that strategy. I laugh. Then they find out it don't work. But the case is, this stock price needs to come up fast to recover from that ex-dividend implosion. If it does not, you begin to get erosion, which means the price is slipping down. And that dividend is too high. They can't pay it from monies earned. Look at it that way. Now, would I ever own any of these individual stocks? No. There is no benefit. I know they say the argument is long-term appreciation. But at some point in your life, you have to sell it, or some of it, in order to get that appreciation. I don't know if you plan to live forever. I don't know if your watch is going to tell you the exact day that you're going to die. So I want money now. This channel is about fast money strategies, getting paid now. So these all have done fantastic, but a lot of them have declined over time. Like Tesla, and sometimes when they decline too much, right, like down to like $11, they have to do a split, okay? And it's like a reverse split. What happens is they give you, okay, they make the shares more valuable. They'll raise the price to $20 and they'll adjust your number of shares so it's the exact same thing. But they want to stay over that $20 point. The problem with splits is that new people come in and forget. You know, people forget that at one point Amazon was like $1,800 before the split. All these big companies, and they split, and people forget. And they're like Nvidia just did a 10-for-1 split from 1,000 to like 100. People in time will forget that. Be like, "Oh, Nvidia's cheap." It's really expensive. So I hope they can keep going with this. So you want to watch out for NAV erosion. Before we jump into retired on dividends and their infatuation with me, okay, this is what's causing all the chaos. I took $300,000 of free money. And, well, what did I do exactly? I took a HELOC loan for 9-point-something%. It costs like $1,100 a month, right? I said, I'm not using it. And it's not my money. I want to see if it can be done with no money out of pocket. So I went to Robinhood and I doubled it. I maxed out the margin. And I was like, whoa. And I'm looking at how much the dividends were. It's like $10,000 a month. And the cost was like $2,200 a month. With Robinhood margin and interest only on my payment. So I was thinking, let me accelerate it. So I added $100,000 of my own money. So it's crazy. Right now, here's how it's working out. I have 24,000 shares. All my costs are here. I know you're going to say, oh, there's a 1% fee you got to pay to Yield Max. You pay those fees to Fidelity, to Vanguard, to every mutual fund, and they never send you a bill you don't even know. Comes out of their money, so relax with that. I'm paying morons to do work I don't want to do. Just like washing my cars, okay, detailing my cars, cleaning my house. There's always somebody that needs work, okay? That's why there are car washes and housekeepers. Let's move on. And yield, fund managers. I forgot them, okay? So I have 24. I don't care if they pay me 69 cents. This is a bonus, 95 cents this month. So I'm going to get a monthly dividend. My dividend should be this month $22,924. All my costs, yeah. My costs actually went down. They lowered my interest rate. Even Robinhood gave me 6.25. And it's all here, okay? And if rates go down, my HELOC will go down. But all I care about is paying the $150K HELOC. You know why? Because the margin you could keep forever. Doesn't matter. And that doubles. So I'm going to pay this off. You want to know how fast I'm going to pay it off? Well, this month was a nice month. My costs are $1,981, and I'm getting an extra $21,000. What have I done so far with this money? Well, the first month, I paid the interest. Of course, I always pay Robinhood. You don't feel it. So the first month, I spent $6,100, $5,000 towards principal, and $1,100 towards the mortgage. Okay, then this month in June, I just paid the interest. So I got a plan. Here's my dividends I've gotten so far. Now my interest has gone down, and my dividends have gone up and up and up. My share count has gone up too. But in the bank, right now, once I get this dividend payment, I will have $53,000 accumulated. You want to know something? Divide that. What do we say my monthly costs are? $19.81. Okay, 27 months. That's over 2 years of payments if things go wrong. You like that? What I'm really planning on doing is letting it now accumulate in Robinhood. Okay, what it's going to do is, I'm still going to pay the HELOC on it. I'm going to let it accumulate in Robinhood, and I'm going to save money on the 6.25, but there'll still be a little bit of money there. But it's going to accumulate and give me a cushion now. Do you know how fast I could pay back that $150,000 a month? When I started this, it's May, 2 months ago. Well, actually, it's June. So let's call it, still, it's not even a full 3 months yet. And I've ripped out $53,000. It's because of something I do called ripping into pumps. Now, the freak thing about AMZY is because it's Amazon, when it goes ex-dividend date, it doesn't really experience NAV erosion. I want you to watch it for yourself. Watch the price. It comes right back up. So if I was going to buy back in, which now I'm set, I'm not buying anymore, I'm good, I'm just going to collect until I get a free money run. Think about it. I'm like a slumlord now. Okay, I love it. If I go over here, right? So let's say he's making $22,000 a month, right? Let me show you how I'm a slumlord. You're going to love it. 22,924 divided by my 10 slumlord apartments. Okay? They're actually stunning 1-bedrooms. They're amazing. And the people pay every single month. It fluctuates sometimes. But you know what? That's the rent. And I got 10 of these apartments in my slumlord building. And you know what my costs are? $1,981 a month. So as long as these 10 families, Jay at Yield Max, listen up, keep paying up, this is epic. They'll never call me saying that there's a flood or a leak. And you know what? This is liquid. Guess what? I can sell it all. Take my money. Now let me show you something. It says that $260,000 here, right? Okay. I put $150 from borrowed money. And then remember, I put $100 of my money. So that means I'm actually up $10,000 in reality. Okay? I started like 3 months ago. It's probably going to say negative now, whatever. Oh, no, look, it says 19,000. Okay? Because I picked Amazon, a good underlier. If I already had a position and I was going to buy in, I would buy in ex-dividend date. Now, you see my buying power is $296. I used every bit of it. Every bit of it. Right before earnings. And I didn't, not earnings. Earnings are going to come. It's going to be great. But I started not today, because today's the last day you could buy. I did it like over a couple of days. Friday, we were down. I was down 5%, $15,000. I took $28,000 from my core ripping, just taking profit, selling at the pumps. And I bought back in, loaded the boat, more shares than ever. Now, you might say, what if you get a margin call? Look, I could pay for the whole thing if I had to. But again, what am I doing? You see me building a cushion, right? I take a couple of months to build a cushion. And I'll pay off this whole $150,000 in a couple of months. And then I'm going to do the whole process over again with something else. Maybe YMAX, I don't know. They got to pass my tests. So we come down here. Does it show here? No, it don't show like it does on the phone app. Now, it tells you different information here, but that's not why I brought you to this page. I brought you to this page to show you something. I have over $500,000 worth of stock. You might be saying, oh, he's going to get a margin call. Shut up. That's amazing. I put in 100,000 of my money at first. I put in none of my own money, but I seen it going so fast and going so well. I put 100,000. Now, am I in love with this? Am I staying with it forever? No. First mission. See, I'm like a soldier. I have a mission. Mission is to pay off the free money, and then my AMZY slumlord castle will be free. I will have to continue to pay only the margin, that, and I could still have their free 150,000, and my 150,000 will be free because I withdrew it all, right? So at that point, whatever happens to AMZY happens to AMZY, but I'm going to leave that running, and that income will keep coming in, be it 10,000 a month or 20,000 a month, and then I'm going to write the same $150,000 credit line check and go into the next one. And it's going to have the AMZY building paying for it. And whatever one of these subscribe, hit the like button. But I don't want to sound like retire on dividends. But the likes do count. I hate begging for likes, man. I don't even monetize this channel, but they hide my content. They don't want you to see this. I don't come up when you search Yield Max or AMZY. And all I do is make videos about it, and because they don't want you to know how to make real money. They want you to waste your time with spreadsheets and saying, oh, like Rod, retire on dividends. Well, he's so full of crap. I have to tell you, it bothers me. Well, I did this put strategy and I made $20. You know, I hate to say I wiped my ass with $20 because that would be disgusting. But Rod, I mean, really, that's minimum wage work. Okay? Now, you beg for the likes and all of this and all of that. All you do is talk about me. Why? I'm showing people strategies. You're showing spreadsheets. If you're into strategies, write strat. Like Strat Note Mom. Write strat in the comments. If you're into spreadsheets, write spread. Like her. In the comments. So you're either a strat or a spread. Write it down now. To continue, I like this, Phoebe, whatever you want to call it, Facebook Meta, maybe, but they're too volatile. I want smooth and consistent tenants in my building. So congratulations to everybody that's into these Yield Max funds. I was thinking about Defiance, and honestly, I think they suck. Let me throw in a little bonus content for you. Okay, here's your bonus content, like a Marvel ending or a Chinese massage parlor, whatever you want. Here you go. Are you ready? I'm going to show you how to pick these in a second, and then you decide. First of all, by the way, I got a job. Yes. My annual income is $280,000. I'm actually poor. But yes, I hear these guys saying, I wish I could do $10,000 a month. I come right out of the gate. Boom. $23,000 a month in dividends, according to this dividend tracker, which is always wrong. But this is nothing. I need to get 4 of these, okay? I need at least $100K a month, all right? So, because I look at my income on a monthly basis, not annually, okay? So I need to have 6 figures here, not here. The rest of you can aspire to whatever you want. This is a channel about strategies. Again, are you a strat or a spread? So we covered Yield Max. Congratulations to everybody. Okay, in my next video, if you want me to show you how, I have a very simple formula. It's not even a formula. It's any idiot could do it. Okay, how do you figure out, do I want to buy this fund or not? Don't go by just the yield. If you want to know how to pick, just say, how do I pick? How do I pick? I will make a video, how to pick. I only pick winners. I never fall in love. I don't dollar cost average. I don't reinvest. I have a strategy. I'm sharing it with all of you. It's beautiful. Another thing that does not matter when you use my strategy is your average cost. When you rip off the top and then you buy back in cheaper over time, your average cost is going to gradually creep up. What matters is real money that you withdraw. Okay, forget fictitious calculations and reinvesting dreams and spreadsheets. Real money that you can withdraw, selling into pumps, having enough in when it's declaration time and get the dividends, okay, and manipulating this. I teach you on my channel how to do this. All right, so let's get to this guy. Okay, this retired on dividends with the birds and the spreadsheets and all that. Let me show you who he is and everything. Calls himself the Rod. The Rod. This is the guy. Now, you notice that when he used to do live streams, you used to hear his wife upstairs going crazy, cursing, and, she's got the balls in the family, and yelling and everything. Now, in the background, he used to call himself the broke investor. I understand being the little guy. He was trying everything to get views, whatever it took, okay? Even, look at this, the orifice picture. So, let's talk about this. He talks about me a lot. I think that he's got an issue. Bro, I'm not like that, man. I don't get it. Why you want to talk about me all the time? You have spreadsheets, you make $20, you get excited, and you're just out of your head, like out of your gourd, bro. So in your Discord, it's another thing. He tells everybody go in his Discord, right? Look, I feel they're all talking about me. Let's see. Look, all right, let's begin. So, what's your opinion of Yield Max TV guy? Okay, look, they're gossiping like a cesspool of girls. I think he refers to himself as Oracle. Okay, I chuckle at his content. I feel sorry for him. His life is so bad he has to do multiple videos. Seriously, bro? Are you out of your mind? Do you know? I have another channel that's not for profit called Vag Hacker. How to pick up and get laid. The hottest girls in the club. You don't know about that, do you, bro? You're clueless about that. What happened to my pause button? Oh, it's slipping away. Let me show you. So, Rod's wife used to go nuts in the live streams, and he realized that it could be heard. Now you hear birds in the background. Birds. You know why? His wife threw him out of the house. Get out of here. Don't be making videos in here no more. You annoy me. Or, that's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is because she quit her job. He's begging for likes and everything else, okay? So that he can make enough money on YouTube, okay? And you can see here, hold on, we got a whole bunch of great stuff. So he can make enough money on YouTube to support the family, because she quit her job already, okay? Divorce or breakup, should you go? Or you're gonna have birds in your head. Anyway, so yeah, and then I had like my 2 girlfriends battling it out on the channel. It was epic. Dina versus, you all remember, this was 3 years ago. Dina, Ginny. Unbelievable. And I show you how to do it. Take you inside. Dating versus marriage. Maybe, Rod, you need this channel. I don't post much on here anymore because I've taught you everything there is to know. So let's go back in his Discord, see what they're saying about me. All right. He's funny and entertaining. That's one way to put it. He attacks anyone that is not with him. I'm annoying. I'm annoyed. He's insufferable. It's terrible. Let's go on and see some more what they're saying about me. Wait. His method will work with something like AMZY. His demeanor is terrible. There's no reason to attack people the way he is. Joanna, you want me to apologize for being me? I am what I am. Maybe I'm harsh on the outside. Some people love it, some people hate it. The one thing I promise you is Joanna, I will not be the one to cheat you. Okay? Let's continue on with what's going on in this crap shit Discord. Mine is a private paid community. Okay? I don't just let anybody in, sorry. Anyway, let's see what else. So she says AMZY will work. Shout out to Joanna from, what's his name? Retire on Dividends group. Okay. It's like a rabid Kamungan versus Todd. They both show their favorite heavy-handedly. At least Todd shows his positions. Bro, come on. Serial beggar. Your name alone, okay, is retarded. I don't show my positions. Did you not just see Robin Hood? Okay, shot that one down. I watched one of his videos, I forgot which, where he and Rod the whole video. He referenced him by name, pulling up something wasn't even his real name. Oh, I have emails. But I'm not going to expose them yet, because you think I'm lying. Is he the core compounding guy? Who even made up that term? I did. Wow, this guy is a real dickhead to everyone. I'm a dickhead to Rod, Retire on Dividends. The other kid that I really can't stand, he has no testosterone at 25. The young entrepreneur, investor, he's like monotone, horrible. Some people I like. I like that guy that just changed his name, the guy from, I don't know, Philippines. Okay? He'll kick your ass. So let's see what else it says. This guy is pretty dumb. He tries to make it look like Rod sent them an email and there's no proof. Oh, don't make me. It's not hard to spoof a Gmail and send email. Don't make me. It's another whole video. We're 20 minutes into this already. All right? He knows what he did. If you want, all right, again, another comment, everyone. If you want to see the emails from Retire on Dividends, trying to fake me out and get me to admit that I secretly use spreadsheets, say Rod the Dick. Rod the Dick in my comments. So we got spread if you're a spreadsheet fan. We got Rod the Dick if you agree with me and want to see the emails, okay? And there was one more. It was the no spreadsheet people. I don't know. We're about money. All right, Proton account mails, scammers, okay? This is very intelligent people here. He was so blatantly fake. Hold on. That fake email was nuts. You want me to go now? This is going to be an hour video. It's like a podcast. You could listen. The guy just made it up for attention or he's naive. See, these are believers. This is deep in Rod's anus. Deep in the anal cavity of his group. In my group, you want to see what happens? Holy crap, I'm making money already. Look at that. Yeah, I had to take a picture of this for everybody. I forgot about this. We let these continue to rip. 38%, 21%, 26%, little trades. I'm going to yield harvest all of that. You know what? Hold on. That's $1,300 in profit. Close all of those. Yeah, I'll take that money. Thank you very much. Let's continue on. We're going to go to my Discord now. First, we have the daily trade updates section where I make real money. Okay? I was in the doctor's office yesterday sitting there. Look, how bad is your pain right now? It wasn't bad at all because I was making thousands of dollars. I actually made so much money sitting there. I made more than the doctor made all week. I showed them how I entered, how I exited. Here's one. Look at that. Let me open it big so you can see it's yield farming on another level. Okay, it's $2,500 or waiting to be seen. I bet you she didn't make that much money that day. It's in a few minutes. But, so my Discord is like that. Okay, and then you come down here, right? There's not people talking about other people. You know what they're doing? Look, watch the top 28 new messages. They are posting their victories in crypto. This is why we don't do Misty and all of those funds, okay?
Bone65 said 65% BTC short 100x thank you. Sean Kidd said Jasmy trade up 455%. Laddie said 31% BTC
hey, you
long.
Like that? You like this? This is trading war on the 1 minute chart.
Co-Crypto said ETH long plus 81% thank you Oracle.
I made that up too. I created war on the 1 minute chart. So look at this. We're going to get to the emails. It's going to be another video. So let's continue. What else are they saying about me instead of making money? LOL, core compounding. All it means is he takes profits. No, Joanna, get out of my bed. I told you. I will not spread sheet you. Yeah, we do that. It's not a real term. He made it up. Yeah, core compounding. It's a system. I made it up. Agreed. He acts as though he invented the concept. Nothing new about it. Yeah, it's true. I want you to search core compounding and see all the YouTubers from 3 years ago that gave me credit for it. Ask him to show you his spreadsheets. LOL. Trigger warning. How about I show you my fucking Lambos? Oh, I forgot. I'm supposed to be nice. This is why people don't like me, I guess. They want to talk about me. I want everyone to win and have a nice day. And I love all of you. And thank you for coming to watch my show. And just, I worship the ground you walk on. I want to get together with everybody. I wish I could reach out around the world. And so subscribe. And as Rod likes to say, retire on dividends. Hit the like button, please. I hate to bother you. I know it's so annoying to hit the like button. Please, please. Look, this is the channel for strategies, not spreadsheets. Once again, in the comments, If you want to see the emails from Rod, just tell me. If you're into spreadsheets, write spread. If you're into strategies, write strat. Like Stratton Oakmont. Here we come to take over. There are new ETFs coming out. I'm monitoring all of them for my next move. Subscribe so you are aware. This is a non-profit to me channel. Okay, YouTube probably makes a profit, but I'm not monetized. I don't care. I don't get the money. Okay, and there's no links below. There's no buy me a coffee, no donation, nothing. Okay, I don't really care. I want to share with you strategies because nobody else will. Have a good day. Retire on lots and lots of money, damn it. Boom. I'm out.